Imagine transforming your demos into powerful sales tools that captivate your audience. Are your current demo practices falling short? Introducing Storylane, the no-code platform trusted by Fortune 1000 companies. Our advanced solution combines security, scalability, and seamless integrations to elevate your go-to-market strategy. You'll benefit from enterprise-level security with SOC 2 Type 2 compliance. Utilize advanced controls for multi-team collaboration. Our platform supports over 3,000 integrations, connecting effortlessly with your favorite tools. What makes Storylane unique? Our focus on interactive demos that increase conversions at every funnel stage. Your prospects will engage, understand, and remember your product like never before. Don't let your competitors get ahead. Boost your conversions today. Chat with our demo expert and join over 2,500 satisfied companies. Let Storylane drive your revenue growth now.